Hey, I'm so happy to see you here, and I hope you're excited too, because today you can join the successful small talk course to become fluent, comfortable, and charming in social situations in English. If you want to stop feeling awkward, if you want to fit in better with your colleagues, boost your career prospects, and feel comfortable in everyday conversations in English, you're in the right place. You know, studies show that small talk and building relationships over conversation have a great impact on your professional success. But often, we feel like small talk is difficult and boring and superficial and a waste of time. And, if English is not your language, you lose time translating in your head. You don't know the right thing to say. You feel like you lack vocabulary, and you generally just feel uncomfortable in small talk. So you avoid small talk, and you lose opportunities. My successful small talk course solves those problems. Catherine, a past student, says, "Before, I wasn't comfortable with small talk, but now I have more vocabulary, I feel more comfortable, and I have lots of ideas to start or continue a conversation in English." Another student, Vladimir, found his current job thanks to small talk. He started a conversation with a guy in front of him at the airport. Well, that guy was the CEO of a software company in Korea, and he's now Vladimir's employer. And these are people just like you. They felt that they were okay in English, but they were shy and unsure and uncomfortable when they had to make conversation in English with others. But they did it, and you can too. Small talk doesn't have to be difficult, boring, or superficial. All it takes is a change in your attitude, the desire to play the small talk game, and yeah, sure, some vocabulary and expressions will help. But even more important, you need the reflexes, the confidence, and the social skills to feel comfortable in English. And that's exactly what you'll find in my program, Successful Small Talk. Great news! Later this year, my team and I will add some new modules and updated exercises to the course. But you can get in the course now at a special discounted price, 40% off the future price, and get all of the new material when it's available later this year. Now, you've got two options with the program, the Essentials Pack and the Booster Pack. And no matter which one you choose, when you join before June 23rd, you get some special bonuses and big discounts. If you need a very flexible schedule for your self-improvement, go for the Essentials Pack. You can complete each lesson on your schedule. And if you complete the lesson in a week, hey, that's awesome. But if you need to go slower and take more time, that's fine too. When you get the Essentials Pack before June 23rd, you save 130 euros off the future price of the course, and you get a free month of conversation practice in my Faster Fluency Conversation Club. If you know that you need a real teacher to give you that extra push to stay motivated and make sure that you're saying the right things at the right time, go for the Booster Pack. With live lessons and live speaking practice, you get personalized feedback and extra practice so you can correct your mistakes before you try it in the real world. With the Booster Pack experience, you get lifetime access to the online course, 3 months of conversation and vocabulary exercises in my Faster Fluency Conversation Club, and 6 live group lessons to go through the course with a teacher. And when you get the Booster Pack before June 23rd, you save 248 euros off the full enrollment price. And you'll get an additional 2 months of conversation in the Fluency Club. You won't believe how much this option accelerates your results and boosts your social success. I guarantee it. have time? Are you joking? You don't have time to lose. But I understand. That's why I designed the course to be compatible with your busy life. The lessons are simple to navigate. Each lesson has 5 activities, and each activity takes around 15 to 20 minutes to complete. That means that you can easily do one activity during your lunch break, and then another activity the next day at the end of your work day. Maybe one quick activity on Sunday afternoon. But this course is made to be compatible with your schedule. When you join the course, you have access for life. Yep, forever. So you can work when you have the time. You can stop when you've got a big project to finish, and then return to the course later and revise as much as you want. I made the course this way because I want to make it easy for you to do this course and succeed. And for the group lessons in the booster pack, they start in September 2019, so you have plenty of time to organize your calendar. Simple. Try it. After you join the course, you have 30 days to try it. You have access to all 15 lessons, so you can look at everything and decide if the course is the right level for you. If you can follow the lessons, but you're still learning new things, it's right for you. And you can also try a free lesson today, and the link is on this page and under the show notes under the video. So if you still have hesitations or specific questions, contact me and I will be happy to help you. Sure, it's an investment today, but it's a small price to pay for English lessons that you can do for life. In a language school, you pay, you go to the lessons, and then the lessons are finished. And you forget the things because you don't use your English immediately. But with the successful small talk course, that is not a problem because the lessons are always here for you and you can review them when you need them. This practical course is a direct path to your objectives. Have more vocabulary and feel more comfortable in everyday discussions. You'll save time and you'll see more progress because you don't lose time working with random apps, podcasts, and movies and no real plan to improve. This course has everything organized for you. You just have to connect and do it. Just as a comparison, one coaching session with me costs up to 200 euros, and this course represents around 20 to 30 hours of work. And if we did this course privately, it would cost more than 5,000 euros. But with the online course or the booster pack, you get access to the same knowledge, opportunities to practice, and you can revise the course for life. By saving time, you'll save money and frustration, and your conversations will be more fluent after the first lesson, and you'll be motivated to continue. So what are you waiting for? The early bird discounts and the bonuses are available until Sunday, June 23rd. So don't miss this exceptional opportunity. This course has changed the lives of so many students already, and I'm sure it'll do the same for you. And I can't wait to see you in this course.